Hello and welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make chocolate cake. This chocolate cake is so easy to make. It is moist and really delicious. Stay tuned and see how to make it. In a large bowl, add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. The flour has already been sifted. Go in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Again, go in with 3 cups of white granulated sugar. And since we're making chocolate cake, this is going to be our main ingredient. I'm adding in 1 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. We are just going to gently sieve it in to prevent the lumps from appearing in our cake. This doesn't really require any special tool. You just need a hand mixer to mix everything together. Once you have nicely mixed this, go in with 1 1/2 cup of buttermilk and 1 1/2 cup of hot water. Just mix this together to combine. Once it's nice and smooth, just like this, next go in with 1/2 cup of melted butter, 4 large eggs, and a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix this again to combine nicely. Next, we are going to grease a 28 centimeters rounded pan with some melted butter. This will prevent the cake from sticking to the bottom and allows it to be released easily once it's baked. Just place a rounded parchment paper in the middle of the pan. Now pour your chocolate cake batter into the grease pan. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. After 40 to 45 minutes, our chocolate cake is out of the oven. You can see it looks really great. It's so moist. So we're just going to leave it to cool down a little bit in the pan, then transfer it to a cooling rack to cool completely. Once your chocolate cake has cooled for 15 minutes, you can go ahead and level the surface to make it attractive. You can also make a frosting for your chocolate cake. Okay guys, you can go ahead and cut your cake to your desired shape. So I'm just going to slice these. Oh my god, this chocolate cake looks so soft and really moist. You can see the layers. Alright, so this is so good. This is one of my best chocolate cake recipe. I hope you try out this chocolate cake and let me know what you think about it, guys, in the comment section below. You can also like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your support and love. Until next time, I love to see you soon. Bye.